Hi guys, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Shoni and today I will be repairing this wig. Shedding like crazy. I purchased a lace frontal from AliExpress. It was for $24 and yeah, was for $24. I think this is 12 inches, I think. I purchased the natural color, and it's actually a bit darker than my wig, but it's fine, I'm still gonna use it. So I washed it already, so let me show you guys why I need to fix this wig. Oh my god, it's so awful. This is the only way I can wear it so that it doesn't really show, and I had to put like concealer foundation on it so that it doesn't look too awful. So this is gonna be the very first time that I'm actually repairing a lace frontal wig. I have made wigs before, but I've never ever made a lace frontal wig or repaired one. So hopefully it comes out looking very good. If not, I'm still gonna wear it because like it's not like I have anybody in Japan to help me style my hair, so I have to do everything myself. Guys, if you know any hairdressers or any salons in Japan that cater to, like, should I say black people hair, because my hair is actually 100% natural and I am going to be wearing a lot of wigs because I'm pretty much wearing protective styles and I need my hair, my natural hair, to grow before I wear it out. So if you know anybody, if you know any salon, or if you know anybody that can make wig, please link their information below or send me a private message, it's fine. I have my needle and my thread. I have my lace frontal, and I have my T-pins. Yeah, my T-pins. Let me show you guys what a T-pin looks like. I purchased this from AliExpress as well, T-pin. So AliExpress has been my best friend because a lot of stores, they don't deliver to Japan. So I have been forced to use AliExpress, but I have not been disappointed so far because the stuff that I've purchased, the quality is pretty reasonable, pretty okay, and it's cheap, so I can't complain. Anyways, so back to business. Okay guys, this is how the wig looks when it's off my head. This is the lace frontal and this is the rest of the wig. So I am going to be removing the lace frontal from this wig. So I have my razor. So I'm gonna be taking out the thread. Successfully removed the lace frontal. Look at the difference. This is the wig without the frontal. I guess I accidentally cut this part of it, so I have to go sew it on back. So let me just do that quickly. I'll also be sewing anywhere else that I see that's lifting.
I know everybody I go like we, still we irie. Come in all love likes, in a dancehall style. I know everybody I go like, still me irie. Cause we no love like, no, so every time I rise we do substance over hype. Do it for the.
Now it's time for me to sew the frontal on. I'm trying to get the hair back so that it doesn't get tangled when I'm sewing it. So I'm gonna just put some water on it.
I never choose when we ever ride. I never show where we headline. No, when I do it for the likes, when I tell them I do it for the love, when I do it for the likes. What da 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 da. Do it for the love, when I do it for the likes. Never tell you if you bust a shot and quench them. Instead we tell them sell it gun and buy a yen yen. Cause we do it for the love, when I do it for the likes.
Of me doing this is because I don't want the hair to be in my way when I'm sewing it. So because it's not on a mannequin head, this is the best way I can pretty much prevent this from happening. This is where it gets tricky. So that's why I have my T-pins. So I'm gonna just measure to make sure that I'm going to be sewing it so that it will be even. Turn this around. I'm starting from the middle and I'm going to be going this side.
Girl, move that booty. Shake the vomit. Girl, move that booty. Shake the vomit. Girl, move that booty. Shake the vomit. Girl, move that booty. Shake the vomit.
So again, I'm starting in the middle and then I'm going this side. This is the finished product. Let's hope that it fits. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is very big. I'm looking like a hot mess. So I am going to cut some of the lace off because it's extremely big. So let me see, like my hair is here. So I'm gonna take the wig off. I'm gonna just measure where I need to cut. So like right here. Let me just, so I need to cut right here. Again, this is the first time I'm doing all of this, so guys, of course I'm not doing it the normal way, but I'm doing the way that I'm comfortable with. So I need to cut right here and then right here. I guess my head is very small because this lace is so big. Okay, so with the wig, the previous wig, I got a band with it, so I'm going to just take off this band and add it to this. Okay, so I'm just ensuring that it's straight and then I'm going to cut it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm gonna add the elastic band on it. I have cut the excess lace from the wig. I've added the band and I have started plucking. So I'm gonna finish plucking the hair and then I'm gonna wash it and let it air dry.